Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2238, pertains to an issue with the AF sensor, specifically indicating low voltage within the AFS plus circuit. AF sensors, also known as air-fuel ratio sensors, play a crucial role in optimizing combustion processes within the engine by providing real-time data on the air-fuel mixture. The AF sensor 1 is typically located upstream in the exhaust system, closer to the engine, which allows it to measure the exhaust gases before they enter the catalytic converter. This sensor feeds information to the powertrain control module, PCM, helping to adjust the fuel injection and air intake to promote efficiency and lower emissions. A recurring problem with this sensor can affect overall vehicle performance and fuel economy, necessitating a thorough troubleshooting process to diagnose and rectify the issue effectively. The DTC P2238 signifies a fault related to the air-fuel AF sensor 1, particularly indicating low voltage across the AFS plus circuit. This code is linked with the powertrain control module, PGM-FI, which manages fuel injection, ignition timing, and other critical functions within the engine. The AF sensor 1 provides essential feedback to the PCM, enabling it to optimize the combustion mixture for better engine performance and emissions control. When the sensor reports low voltage, it may lead to inefficient fuel consumption and increased tailpipe emissions due to an incorrect fuel mixture. The failure produces two states, confirmed and pending, where confirmed indicates a persistent problem, while pending indicates a momentary issue that may go away without intervention. Therefore, precise verification of the error is paramount for effective troubleshooting. There are several potential causes for the DTC P2238, starting with a short in the AFC1 wire, which connects the AF sensor 1 to the PCM. This short can lead to the circuit's low voltage reading, triggering the error code. Another possible cause is a defective AF sensor itself, whereby its internal components might be damaged or malfunctioning. Sometimes, the PCM may suffer from internal circuit issues, which could lead to inaccurate voltage readings. Ensuring each of these components is functioning properly is crucial to identifying the root cause of the problem. Additionally, poor connections or loose terminals could result in intermittent faults, further complicating diagnostics. Thorough checks of wiring integrity and sensor performance are critical steps in resolving this issue. When DTC P2238 is triggered, it often results in noticeable symptoms that can affect the vehicle's performance. One common symptom is poor engine performance, which may manifest as rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, or reduced power output. Additionally, drivers may observe an increase in fuel consumption, as the PCM struggles to manage the air-fuel mixture effectively without accurate sensor data. Alongside these performance issues, there can be concerns regarding emissions, as an incorrect air-fuel ratio can lead to higher levels of harmful substances in the exhaust. Monitoring the vehicle's fuel efficiency and exhaust output can provide further insights into the severity of this issue. Awareness of these symptoms allows for timely intervention, ultimately preserving vehicle integrity and efficiency. The first troubleshooting step involves verifying the presence of DTC P2238. Start by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position. This powers the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any previously recorded diagnostic trouble codes. This step ensures the system is reset and allows for accurate monitoring of current vehicle data. Post-clearance, check for any confirmed or pending DTCs using the HDS. If DTC P2238 reappears as a confirmed code, this indicates a persistent issue that necessitates further diagnostic steps. However, if it does not, the problem may be intermittent, and further investigation is needed to check the AF sensor's wiring and connections for stability. For the second troubleshooting step, it is essential to check for a shorted wire in the AFC1 line. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off lock mode to ensure safe inspection and prevent unintentional electrical activity. With the vehicle off, utilize the HDS to jump the SCS Service Check System line, enabling access to the vehicle's diagnostic functions. Next, disconnect the AF sensor, Sensor 1, connector, and the PCM connector B to prepare for continuity testing. Check for continuity between designated test points, ensuring the correct connections are identified. Test point 1 is the AF sensor pin, and test point 2 is body ground. If continuity is found, it indicates a short in the AFC1 wire, which must be repaired before moving forward. If no continuity is detected, it means the AFC1 wire is intact, and additional diagnostic steps should be pursued. In the third troubleshooting step, focus shifts to checking the internal circuits of the powertrain control module, PCM. First, reconnect the PCM connector B to restore the vehicle's electronic systems. After the PCM is connected, it is crucial to exit the SCS diagnostic mode using the HDS. Subsequently, turn the ignition to the on position, which allows the systems to power up for voltage measurement. With the AF sensor 1 connector still disconnected, measure the voltage between the designated test points, the AF sensor connector, and body ground. The expected voltage reading is about 0.2 volts or less. If the voltage meets this standard, it suggests a potential need for a PCM update or replacement, depending on whether the software is current. Conversely, if the voltage is acceptable and the internal circuit is confirmed to be in good condition, it indicates that the AF sensor itself requires replacement. After performing the necessary repairs based on previous troubleshooting steps, the final verification of repair procedure is essential. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to recheck for any remaining DTCs, specifically targeting P2238, to ensure the issue has been resolved. Following the diagnostic check, conduct a test drive of the vehicle under varied driving conditions to assess overall performance and responsiveness. Pay close attention to any symptoms previously noted, such as rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, or changes in fuel consumption. Successful repairs should result in clear diagnostic codes and improved engine performance, confirming that the repairs carried out have effectively addressed the underlying issue. Documenting findings and confirming resolution is a vital part of the vehicle repair process to proactively mitigate the occurrence of DTC P2238 and similar issues in the future. Implementing a preventive maintenance plan is crucial. Regular inspections of AFIN sensors should be performed, as these components can wear out over time or become contaminated, impacting their performance. It is equally important to regularly check wiring connections associated with the AFIN sensor and PCM, ensuring they are secure and free from corrosion or damage. Any frayed or ill-fitted connections may lead to intermittent faults, which are often challenging to diagnose. Additionally, keeping the PCM software updated enhances the system's ability to manage engine functions accurately and efficiently, thereby preventing coding errors linked to outdated programming. Integrating these preventive measures can significantly aid in maintaining optimal vehicle health and performance. In summary, DTC P2238 highlights critical issues concerning the AFIT Sensor 1 and its circuit low voltage reading. Understanding the role of the AFIT sensor is fundamental, as it directly influences engine performance and efficiency. Through systematic troubleshooting, including verification of the DTC, checking wiring integrity, and assessing the PCM's internal functions, technicians can accurately diagnose and resolve the underlying issues. Implementing preventive maintenance strategies will further alleviate the risk of recurring problems, thereby enhancing vehicle reliability. Ultimately, vigilant diagnostics and repairs contribute to a smoother driving experience and prolong the life of the vehicle. Successfully addressing DTC P2238 is a testament to effective automotive troubleshooting and problem resolution. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.